லைட்ஸ் எப்படி போகணும் டேபிள் இடாது. Good evening, Samundeshwari, Maya Singh, Roshan. All good evening. Good evening, students. Good evening, students. Hello. Hello. Good evening, Mr. Shokmar. Good. Roshan. Roshan, good evening. Samundeshwari, Maya Singh. Good evening to you all. Yesterday, hello. Yesterday you would have seen a class of real numbers. Today, since some of the new students are coming, and we are going to take a quadratic equation. Hello, students. Yes. Good evening. Good evening to you all. Good evening. Today we see about the quadratic equation. What is a quadratic equation? I think by now in your schools nearly 7 chapters would have gone, I suppose. Am I right? More than nearly 7 chapters they would have covered. So this fourth chapter comes under quadratic equation. We'll see the quadratic equation. Simple. In the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A quadratic equation. We call it as a quadratic equation. So we would have studied in our polynomials. See, if f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then a is not equal to 0. This is called a quadratic equation. We call it as a quadratic equations. These quadratic equations can be used in real life situations. Quadratic equation can be used in real life situations. See, if you write p of x is a quadratic, if it's a quadratic polynomial, then p of x will be equal to 0 and is called a quadratic equation. The standard form, you know, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to, on simple ways, see the coefficient of x square, that will be x square, x and constant. But see now you will ask the first thing. We'll see whether, or tell me what all the things are. We'll find out simple things about how to have a. We'll see the one thing. First one, check whether the following are quadratic equations. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. Students, are you able to hear my voice? Samundishwari, Maya Singh, Roshan, Shivakumar, Akhilesh Aki. Can you hear my voice? Please say yes. Otherwise, I can wait. Is my audio is clear? Is my audio is clear? Is my audio is clear? Samundishwari, Maya Singh, Sai Adishya, Shivakumar, yes. Sai Adishya, you also come. My audio, Maya Singh, good. Audio is clear. Okay, I'll proceed. See, first see, x minus 2 whole square plus 1. You have to say whether the following is a quadratic equation. See, we can write it here. See, x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. See, what is a minus b? What is a minus b whole square? See, right, a minus b whole square will be like this. What? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Likewise, x minus 2 whole square will be x square plus 4 minus 2ab, means minus 4x. Am I right? Am I clear? So plus 1, sorry, 4x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. So now x all one side, numbers all. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we take along this. So it will be x square minus 4x minus 2x. This minus 2x come. Here plus 4 plus 1 is 5. And if you take that 5 other side, it will be minus 5. So it will be x square minus 6x, then is equal to minus 3 minus 5 will be minus 8. Then bring it here, x square minus 6x plus 8 should be equal to 0. Tell me whether it is a, tell me whether it's a, this equation is a, this thing, x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. So therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. What is the standard form of it? Is a form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. So it is the form of, what is the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Are you able to follow this? Clear? So therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. Am I right? Clear? Now we are going to have nearly 8 problems. See, you have to tell me whether it is a quadratic equation or not. The first problem I have solved it. That is x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. So now x minus 2 whole square means a minus b whole square. I am expanding like that. Then you get that x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. So now how I am getting this x minus 2 whole square, x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 1. Then I'm arranging all those things in a x square, x and numbers. It comes as x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. Akhila Shaki, Sai Aditya, Sivakumar, Maya Singh, Ram, Samundeshwari, Roshna, Sanjay, Subulakshmi Perumal. I hope you have understood what is a quadratic equation. Now tell me, now you have to tell me this, find out and tell me whether this is a quadratic equation. Hello, students? Now tell me, Akhila Sai, Shivakumar, Maya Singh, Ram, please tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Yes, I want to know whether you understand what is a quadratic equation. I want everybody to give me an answer. Akhilesh, Sai, Shivakumar, Maya Singh, Ram Marke, Samundeshwari, Roshan and Subulakshmi. Please tell me whether this is a quadratic equation. Can you please tell me? Why, Roshan? Roshan, you are saying no. Why? Okay, your answer is no. Then Roshan, tell me. Aditya, no, it is not a quadratic equation. Aditya, Sai also saying no. Okay, only 2 students have given the answer. Roshan, you have said no. Sai, you are also saying no. Samundeshwari, Ram, Maya, Shivakumar, you are not answering. Please tell me whether it is a quadratic equation or not. The above equation I have written x into x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. Tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Please answer. While mathematics we have to interact, then only you will be able to understand the concept. Is it clear? See, Roshan has replied no, and the Sai also has replied no. But what about others? Subulakshmi Perumal, Roshan, Samundeshwari, Ram, Maya Singh, Shivakumar, you are all not answered. Please answer the question. I want you to give answer. Please answer. Then only I can clear you then very well. Only two have answered. See, I now show you Roshan and Asai. Good. The given equation is not a quadratic equation. See, when you multiply x into x plus 1, it becomes x square plus x plus 8 this side. The other side will be x plus 2 into x minus 2. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So, what do you call that is x square minus 4 will come on the other side. So, here x into x plus 1 plus 8. Good, Shivakumar, you are also telling no. Very good. So, x into x plus 1 plus 8, if you multiply, it will be x square plus x plus 8. That is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So, a square is x square, then 2 square is 4. So, x square plus x plus 8 is equal to x square minus 4. So, you bring all these things to one side. This step, I'll write here, side, here. See, x square plus x plus 8 is equal to x square minus 4. Bring everything to one side. It will be like this, x square. When you bring that x square to this side, it will become minus x square plus x plus 8. When you bring this minus 4 this side, it will become plus 4. That is equal to 0. So, x square minus x square cancel. Okay. That is x, 8 plus 4 is 12. So, it will be x plus 12 is equal to 0. So, what is the form of quadratic equation? It should be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See, only coefficient x is there, but no x square is there. Are you able to follow? So, x plus 2 is equal to x plus 12 is equal to, see, Roshan, Sai and Shivakumar, only 3 students have answered. What about Samindishwari, Ram, Maya Singh and all? Please try to understand. Please try to do it. See, we are going to see you must be getting very thorough with the basic. So, what's the quadratic equation? Quadratic equation form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, here instead of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, it coming x plus 12 is equal to 0. So, x square is not Maya Singh. Now, you are answering good. You are saying no. Good. Now, you understood? Shall we go to the next problem? See, now I'm happy. Roshan, Sai, Shivakumar, Maya, you are all answered. But Samindishwari, Subbulakshmi, then Ram, I need Ram to also come. Then, okay, I need all your answers. Now, the next question we are going to ask this thing. Tell me whether this one, x into 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1. Is it a quadratic equation? Please try it and tell me. X into 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1. Please tell me whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Students, try and tell me. Maya Singh, yes, one answer has come, good. X into 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1. Maya Singh says it is a quadratic equation. Then next, what about others? I need answers from everybody. Please try and tell me. Feel free to interact. Only when you interact, you will be able to get the doubts cleared. Sai, you are saying no. Sai says no. Maya, you have given yes. Sai is giving no. What about others? Please try. Shivakumar, Roshan, Subbulakshmi. What about others? Please. Samundishwari. I need everybody's answer. Yes, Roshan. Yes, sir. It is correct. Roshan is also saying yes. Maya Singh. Roshan is saying yes. Samundishwari is saying is yes. Sai has said no. Then what about other 3 students? Please tell me whether it is yes or no. Whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Yes, Sai. Okay. Sai has rectified. Sorry, sir. Yes, good. Sai, you are right. Now you are right. Very nice. Good. Likewise, please. What about others? Okay. Yes. Let us see what is the answer for it. Shivakumar. What is this? Plus into, see, x, that is x 2, 3 minus 1 is equal to. Shivakumar is saying no. See, Shivakumar, what is a quadratic equation? It should come in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yes, sorry, very good. Shivakumar also come, yes, very nice, very nice. See, they will see. See, x into 2x plus 3, it will become what? 2x square plus 3x this side. There it will be x square plus 1 can be written as like this. Okay, 2x square plus 3x, that is equal to x square plus 1. So now bring all the x's. See, this step I'll write. See, 2x square plus 3x is equal to x square plus 1. Now bring everything to one side. 2x square, bring that x square from here, it will become minus x square, thus plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus x square will be x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the form of quadratic equation? It will be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See, the coefficient of x square is here, x is here, constant is here. So naturally this is a quadratic equation. Are you able to follow this? So first arrange all these things. First multiply and bring it all to one side. Find out whether it fits like this. Coefficient of x square, then constant. The x square plus bx plus c should be equal to 0. Very good. Very nice of you. Now let us see the next one problem. We'll see. Now you tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Students, please try. Students, please try and tell me. Maya, Sai, Roshan, Samundiswari, Shivakumar, please tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Maya Singh says yes. Then what about others? Please try and tell me. Maya has come out the answer yes. What about others? Tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. You have to tell me whether this is a quadratic equation is not. So you must get it thorough with what is a quadratic equation. First you should understand what is a quadratic equation. Maya has said yes. What about others? Only one answer I have got so far. Only from Maya I have got. Now Sai has said yes. Sai has said yes. What about others? What about others? Samundishri also yes. Maya, Sai, Samundishri has come. I need an answer from Roshan. I need answer from Roshan, Shivakumar. Roshan also yes now. Good. What about Shivakumar? Shivakumar? Okay. Roshan, yes. Okay, now we'll go to this, see whether this is. See now, x plus 2 whole cube is equal to what? It is a cube plus a square b, like ab square plus, what is a plus b whole cube? What is a plus b whole cube will be the a plus b whole cube will be like this. The a cube plus ab square, then square a plus b cube. So I have written that. So now it will be x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. Clear? Then x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. So right, equate x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 is equal to x cube minus 4. Bring this x cube this side. See, I'll write here. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Now tell me this. Okay. So it will be 6x square. This x cube will be get cancelled. See, I'll write here. This one, x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 is equal to x cube minus 4. So bring all the numbers here. That will be x cube minus x cube, then plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 0. So I'm bringing this x cube and minus 4 to this side. So now this x cube will get cancelled. Then 6x square plus 12x plus, it will be like this, 6x square plus 12x plus 12 is equal to 0. Or you can divide by 3 out of 6. 6 is common. 6, 12, 12. 6 is common. So divide by 6, you will get x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Good. Sivakumar also have come out with yes. Okay. Now you understand what is this? Good. So what is a quadratic equation? So there should be a x square, x and a constant. Suppose if it contains x cube, x to the power of 4, then that is not a quadratic equation. Simple way you can remember like this. It should be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to a r1. Now we'll go to the next one. So this one. This already we have done. So x plus 1 whole square is equal to, now this tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not, please. Now quick, can do it in a very quick way. Tell me. Maya, Sai, Samundri, Roshan, Sivakumar, please tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Quick. x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2x minus 3. Maya says yes. Good. Next one. Anybody? Anybody? Sai, yes. Maya says yes. Sai, yes. Then yes. Then what about others? Shivakumar, Roshan, Samindishwari. Please answer as quickly as possible. Now you are clear, no? What is a quadratic equation? I want everybody to be thorough with this. They should get. Tell me. Yes. I will see whether it's a. So x plus 1 whole square will be x square plus 2x plus 1, that is equal to 2 into x minus 3 means 2 into x, 2 minus 6. So now x square will be there. Bring this to x. See, I will bring this to x. See here how it is. See, so x plus 1 whole square will be like this. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. Now bringing all the x and numbers to one side. Okay, it will be x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. See this. So this is 2x and 2x will go off. Then it will be plus 1 and plus 1 will be 7. That will be x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So see how, therefore this given, this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to, and a is not equal to 0. Therefore this is a quadratic equation. But this is a quadratic equation. Therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. Okay, everybody is clear? Roshan, Maya Singh are all okay. Now good. Now we'll go to the next problem. Now this tell me now, x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Please everybody try and tell me, try and find out and tell me whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So I want everyone to try this and tell me whether it's a quadratic equation or not. Roshan, Sai, Shivakumar, Samundiswari, please try this and tell me. Try this and tell me. Maya says yes. Good. Then next. What about others? Maya is quickly responding. What about others? Roshan, Samundiswari, Shivakumar, Sai. Please come out quickly. Tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Only Maya has come. What about others? Trying? Shivakumar, yes. Good. Roshan, yes. Good. Maya, Shivakumar, Roshan, good. Kamundishwari, yes. Good. Nadi is not gone. Okay. How it is, you know how to solve this. It will be like here. I'll put it here. Say x square minus 2 is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Thus the given equation is x square minus 2x equal to, multiply with this minus 2 into 3 minus x. Minus 2 into 3 will be minus 6. This side I'm talking about the bracket side. RHS. So minus 2 into 3 minus 6, and minus 2 into minus x will be plus 2x. So you bring this side. So when you bring this again, I'll put it here. See the one step here I'll write. say x square minus 2x is equal to minus 6 plus 2x. So if you bring this thing minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. So it will be x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. So the given equation is a quadratic equation. So where a is not equal to 0. So in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Shall we move to the next question? Now tell me, please everyone try this and tell me. Sundarajan, welcome. Good evening. Mr. Sundarajan, good evening. Please come and see. Sai, are you there? Sai? What about Sai is not answering? Sai, please come. Sundarajan, good evening. Now do this. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. You tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Thank you, Sai. Thank you, Sai. Oh, network problem. No problem, Sai. Find out this, okay? Roshan D. Sanjay is giving x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 x plus 3. Roshan has given the answer no. Good. Next one. Next, anybody? Maya. What about Maya? Maya always comes first today. Sai. Try this. Sai also no. Samundiswari no. Good. Then Maya. Shivakumar also no. Shivakumar, Samundishwari, Sai, Roshan, 4 of them have answered, given us no. Maya Singh is not there. Okay. Yes, we'll do that. We'll see this, how it is coming. Say x minus 2 into x plus 1. When you multiply those two things, it will be x minus 2 into x plus 1 will be x square minus 2x, the x square, then a plus x minus 2 into x plus 1 you multiply minus 2x minus 2 is equal to, when you multiply x minus 1 into our right hand side x minus 1 into x plus 3, you get x square plus 3x minus 3. So when you hit this side x square plus x minus 2x will give you minus x, then minus 2. See the third step, x square minus x minus 2. This is equal to right hand side we go x square 3x minus x is plus 2x minus 3. So now bring this x square this side, bring this x square. So x square minus, see this step I'll write here, x square, see, x square minus x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. So I am bringing x square all to one this side, x square minus x minus 2x. Am I right? Minus 2x, then minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. So I am bringing all this to this side. X square, this x square get cancelled. Minus x will be minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, or you can like this, 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So multiply by minus, you will get like this, 3x minus 1, or you bring it to that side, it will be like this. So it is not a quadratic equation. So what's the quadratic equation form? It will be like this, ax square plus bx, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Okay, so therefore this given equation is not a quadratic equation. Actually it is a, you can call it a linear equation. Good. Now let us go to the next one. Now you tell me this, find out and tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. I want everybody to give an answer to this. I want everybody to give an answer. So tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. That is, x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 1. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. Sorry. So, x minus 3 into 2x plus 1, that is equal to x into x plus 5. Okay. X minus 3, 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. So Maya Singh says yes. Maya Roshan says no. Roshan says no. Maya says yes. Roshan, now he has corrected, good. Maya and Roshan says it is a quadratic equation. Somin Diswari also yes. What about others? Shivakumar, Sai, please can you tell me the answer? Tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. I want everybody to give answer. Tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Shivakumar also yes. Good. Shivakumar, Sanmindiswari, Roshan, Maya Singh all come out. Then anybody bending? Sai, yes sir, good. Good Sai, very nice. Very nice. Yes, let us see this. Yes. So the given equation x minus 3 into 2x plus 1, when you multiply this left hand side, x into 2x, 2x square, x into plus 1 plus x, minus 3 into 2x minus 6x, minus 3 into plus 1 will be minus 3. That is equal to this side. Right hand side, if you this thing, x into x plus y, x into x, x square plus x into 5, 5x. Good. As I also okay. So then arrange it. 2x square plus x minus 6x. So bring this 5x this side. Here x minus 6x will give you minus 5x. So 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to x square plus 5x. Bring this side to here. 2x square minus x square minus 5x and minus 3. See here, this step I will put it here. See, this is up to this. I hope you know. My 3 is equal to x square plus 5x. So I am bringing all this to one side. 2x square, that way when you bring from right hand side to left hand side, minus, the signs will change. So x square now minus x square, then minus 5x, thus this 5x comes means minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus x square will be x square, minus 5x and minus 5x will be minus 10x, then minus 3 is equal to 0. So what is the form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. So therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. Clear with everybody? Okay, now let us do the next problem. So now please do this and tell me whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Please tell me. 2x minus 1 into x minus 3, that is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. This side, left hand side, 2x minus 1 into x minus 3, actually is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. I think hope all of you are very much clear now what is a quadratic equation. First thing I want to make you to understand what is a quadratic equation and how it will be, the form of quadratic equation. That's very important. Then only we can go to the next step. We have to real life situations, daily life situations, how this quadratic equation is useful. We can see that. Now tell me whether this is this thing. Well, see, everyone should answer this, whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Roshan is saying yes. Sai also saying yes. Roshan saying yes. Sai saying yes. Roshan, Sai, yes. Shivakumar, yes. Maya saying yes. Good. Samundishwari, yes. Good. The right answer is it's a quadratic equation only. It is a quadratic equation. See how it will be. So 2x minus 1. If you multiply 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 will be 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3 is equal to x square. Now here 2x square minus x 6x minus x will become minus 7x plus 3. So again that step I'll write here. See, it is 2x square 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. So now I am arranging like this. 2x square, when you bring that x square this side, minus x square minus 7x minus 4x plus 3 plus 5 equal to 0. You know how it is all coming. See, when I take this x square to this side, it will become minus x square. Likewise, when I take this 4x to this side, it will become minus 4x. When you take minus 5 to this side, it will become plus 5. See, the signs will change and we are putting like this. Now 2x minus x square will be x square. Minus 7x minus this will be minus 11x. Plus 3 plus will be 8 is equal to 0. So what is the form of a quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is a form of quadratic equation. Am I right? Clear? Very nice answers. Good. Now let us do the next problem. Now tell me. Tell me whether this one is a quadratic equation or not. Tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Maya Singh has given the answer no. What about others? Please, are you trying? Please solve this problem and tell me. Roshan, you are saying no. Maya, Roshan, both of saying no. What about others? What about others? What about others? Samundeshwari says yes. Samundeshwari saying yes. Roshan and Shivakumar saying no. Even Maya, Roshan, Shivakumar are saying no. But Samundeshwari is saying yes. Samundeshwari, can you rework it out and tell me how you are getting? Find out whether it is a chord. Yes, Sai also saying no. Sai, Shivakumar, Roshan, Maya, everyone is saying no, but Samundeshwari is saying yes. Sorry, sir. Oh, very nice, very nice. Good, good, good. That's only simple calculation mistake will be there. No problem. No problem. No problem, Samundeshwari. You are right. Good. It should be no only. Yes. It's not a quadratic equation. You know how it will come? I'll show you. See the given equation x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. See this side, right hand side, x minus 2 be a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So it will be x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to a square, mean x square minus 2ab minus 2 into x minus 4x into 2 square is 4. Now again, this part I will tell you. So here it will be x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. See, now bring all these things to one side. X square minus x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. You know how I am doing this? When I bring this x square this side, it will become minus x square. When I bring this minus 4x here, it will become plus 4x. When I bring plus 4 here, it will become minus 4. That's all. So now x square, it will go off. This will go. Plus 3x will be 7x. Then plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3. That is equal to 0. So the answer will be 7x minus 3. See, can you call it as a quadratic equation? So what's the form of a quadratic equation? It will be like this: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See here, coefficient of x square part is missing. So you have x and only constant. So this is not a quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. So actually it is a linear equation. We call it as a linear equation. Good. Now let us do the next problem. Please do this and tell me. Please do this and tell me. Tell me whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Maya Singh has given the answer. So she has given x plus 2 whole cube. Maya Singh. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x minus 1. I ask, I request Maya and Samudishwari to work out again and find out. Yes, Maya Singh now corrected is our answer. Good. What about Samudishwari? Please try it and see, find out. See, this will come as a cubic equation. Find out. See, what is a quadratic equation? It should be a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See, there should not be any cubes, or there should not be any to the power of 4. Only the maximum x square plus bx plus c. Maya saying it's a cubic. Good. Sai, good. It is not a quadratic equation. Sai saying no. Maya, now good. Samudishwari, please find out whether it is a quadratic or not. I can correct your answer. Roshan, no. Good. Samudishwari, have you worked out? Anyway, you see this. Okay, now you see this worked out. Okay, now. See, what is x plus 2 whole cube will be x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 is. That is when you a plus b whole cube or expand it, means it will be a cube plus b cube, there's b cube, then 2a square b, and like that 3a square b, then you can find out like that. Okay, so when you cube this here, when you multiply 2x into x square minus 1 will be 2x cube minus 2x into x square will be 2x cube minus 2x. Okay, yes, it is in cubic. Good. Good, Samant is very nice of you. It is in cubic. You are right, 100% right. So likewise, so it is not in the form of, when you find out like this, x cube is there. So the form of quadratic equation will be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Fine. Okay, now let us see a last sum. We'll see, find out. Tell me whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Maya Singh says it is. Good. Then any need some answers? Come on. Maya is given. Yes. Tell me. Whether Maya is right or not, please tell me. Others find out and tell me. Maya is very confident. She says yes, it is. Maya is very confident that it is a quadratic equation. What about others? What about others? Sai also yes, sir. Good. Correct. He says yes. Maya Singh has given yes. Sai has given yes. Then Kamundishwari also yes. Good. Now you're all working out, you're finding it easily, it's a quadratic equation or not. Very nice, very nice. Maya, Sai, someone says come. What about other food? Good. Roshan has come out. Yes. Good. Roshan Sanjay is good. Yes. Then Shivakumar is also yes. Good. So everyone is giving the exact answers. Good. It is yes. It is a quadratic equation. See, you see the workout? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. So when you arrange, you find out the final outcome will be 2x square minus 13x plus 9 is equal to 0, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. So therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. Fine. So today, now very basic thing, fundamental things we have seen. Now you are able to tell me by a look at itself, you will tell me whether it is a quadratic equation or not. If I give an equation, this I have given to solve the problem, but if I give an equation, you will immediately say whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Now see, now we'll go for the sums which represent in the form of quadratic equation. We will continue tomorrow. We'll have continuous classes. Tomorrow we'll see how the situations, the practical life, day-to life or daily problems, we can represent it in quadratic equation and find out the answers. From tomorrow we'll go for it. Then we can go for the factorization method of quadratic equation, finding the factorization method, and also finding you whether the is a given values give the roots of the equation. Tomorrow shall we continue? Tomorrow shall we continue? Roshan, Samundishwari, Maya, Sai, Shivakumar. Okay, shall we continue tomorrow? The next class, I hope you are going some science classes there. So tomorrow we will continue our classes. So I would like to know, you have understood it well, or you have any problems of knowing whether it is a quadratic equation or not? Everyone is okay? Everyone is okay with this? Okay, any more comments you want? Anything you can tell our sir. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow because the next class will be a science class, is going to be continued now. Okay, have some 5 or 10 minutes rest, then continue, come for the science class. Okay, thank you. Yes, thank you Samundri sir. Thank you. Good. Thank you very much. Thank you Adi, Sai, thank you. Samundri, thank you. Roshan, thank you. Yes, Sevakumar, thank you. Everybody, thank you.